Y'all are not even gonna believe this because I can't believe it myself. Ready for it? Poolin sent me their 06. They sent me their 05, and now they sent me their 06. I am freaking the heck out, you guys. So I'm going to unbox this monster for you and see how it compares to the EOCO6. So as soon as I open this thing right off the bat, I noticed that you get a quick guide and a user manual just like you did with the other one. But I'm seeing some new goodies in here. Okay, take a breath, Miranda. It's gonna be okay. So you get little clips for your hoops with this. This is really cool. I'm gonna put those on later. But of course you get everything you need right here to get started. And then I'm noticing all the different hoop sizes. I'm freaking the heck out. I don't know if you can tell, but I am freaking the heck out. I am so excited to show you guys what I make with this. But here's all the different hoop sizes. I will show you the exact sizes later, but let's keep opening this box. Here you get an extension table for your machine to make the surface area bigger. Freaking out. So let's put that to the side for now, and later I will put it on the machine. Let's keep going. We're gonna take this foam out right here and see what's under it. Okay, I see the thread stand, which you did get with the other machine, and I'm also seeing more pre-wound bobbins, which is awesome. Beautiful colors, love it. Let's see, we get some more thread. I'm gonna see if it's the same colors as the other machine here in a second as well. So let's put that to the side. There's that stand. That'll be nice to have two, to put one with each of the machines. And then you get your power cord, of course. These machines are awesome because they pretty much come ready to go. So like I said, as soon as you take this machine out of the box, it comes with everything that you need in order to get started, including this 9x9 tearaway stabilizer, which is really nice of them to provide not only the stabilizer, but so much of it. I'm also noticing this is the new thing with this machine, the grids in order to get perfect placement, which is so handy and so extremely nice to have. Oh my God. Oh, that's... Holy smokes, that's heavy as crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Just look at this hoop size that is on there right now. Are you kidding me? That is massive. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited about this.